What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up TWS with your RPB-D3 speakers. So the cool thing is you can link two RPB-D3 speakers together through TWS or true wireless stereo connection. First you just want to make sure that both of your speakers are on. Then all you have to do is press on the TWS button on just one of your speakers. When you hear that first sound, this means that the speaker is looking for the second speaker to connect to. And then that second sound will mean that the two speakers are linked together. So now you can link your smartphone or tablet to both speakers at the same time by going into the Bluetooth settings and searching for the device that reads RPB-D3, then you're just going to click on it to pair. Once you hear that sound, you'll know that your device is connected to both speakers, so let's go ahead and hear how they sound. Crazy. That's awesome. They both sound really good together. It's also really easy to disconnect your speakers once you're all done. All you have to do is press the TWS button on just one of your speakers. Then once you hear that sound, you'll know that your speakers are disconnected. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up TWS with your RPB-D3 speakers. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.